Welcome to AMS. Today in this video we are going to solve a question, and the question is y is to power 4 plus 3y cube plus 4y square plus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. You can see that this question look a complicated question, and we will solve this question for the y. And most people think about this question, it's a very hard question, but you will see inside this video how much easy it is, and you can solve this question by using simple steps. How? For this answer, let's begin our video. So our given question is y is to power 4 plus 3y cube plus 4y square plus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. In order to solve this question, first we will divide the whole equation with y square from the both side. And we will get, after dividing this equation with y square from the both side of equation, y square plus 3y plus 4 plus 3 over y plus 1 over y square equal to 0. Now, we will arrange this equation in a simple manner. How? These two square values will come together, and y square plus y 1 over y square are here. Now, we will take common 3 from these two values, and y plus 1 over y will be the remainder after taking the common from these two values. Plus 4 is same as before, and equal to 0 is same as before. Now, I am representing this equation as equation number 1. Now, I will consider let y is plus 1 over y is equals to x. Now apply squaring on the both sides of the equation, and we will expand this expression from a plus b whole square formula, and we will get y square plus 1 over y square plus 2y plus 1 over y after expanding a plus b whole square formula, and is equals to x square is same as before. This y and this y will cancel out, and after cancellation of y, this 2 will move to the other side of the equation, and it will convert in minus 2. So y square plus y 1 over y square equal to x square minus 2. Now we will put the value of y square plus 1 over y square and y plus 1 over y in equation number 1. And after putting these values in equation number 1, we will get x square minus 2 plus 3x plus 4 equal to 0, because we replace x square minus 2 from y square plus 1 over y square in equation number 1, and y plus 1 over y will be replaced with this x square inside the equation number 1. Now we will arrange this equation, and we will get x square and plus 3x is same as before, and minus 2 plus 4 will be equal to plus 2, and equal to 0 is same as before. Now you can see that this is a quadratic equation and a factorizable equation. So we will factorize this equation, and we will get, after factorizing this equation, x square plus 2x plus x plus 2 equal to 0. Now we will take common x from these two values, and we will get x plus 2 as a remainder. Now we will take common plus 1 from these two values, and x plus 2 will become as a remainder. Equal to 0 is same as before. Now we will take common x plus 2 from these two values, and x plus 1 will be the remainder, equal to 0 will be the remainder. Now we will solve these two values for y. So first we will take common x plus 2 equal to 0. And now, as we know that y plus 1 over y is equals to x, so we will replace this x from y plus 1 over y, and we will get, after replacing x with y plus 1 over y, we will get y plus 1 over y plus 2 equal to 0. Now we will simplify this equation by taking LCM, and we will get y square plus 1 plus 2y over y equal to 0. Now this y will multiply with this 0, and it will become a 0 value, and we will get, after arranging this equation, y square plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. And you can see that this equation also a quadratic equation and a factorizable equation. So we will factorize this equation as y square plus y plus 1 equal to 0. Now we will take common y from these two expressions and we will get y plus 1 as a reminder. We will take common plus 1 from these two values and y plus 1 will be the remainder. Equal to 0 is same as before. Now we will take common y plus 1 from this whole expression and y plus 1 will be a remainder. Equal to 0 is same as before. Now take common y plus 1 equal to 0. This plus 1 will move to the other side of the equation and it will become minus 1 and we will get the value of y equal to minus 1. This value is same is like that. So this answer will same for y. So we will not solve this again. You can see that they both are the same things and we will get the same answer. Now in the next step we will take common x. We will take common x plus 1 equal to 0 and as we know that y plus 1 over y equal to x, we will replace this x from y plus 1 over y and plus 1 is same as before equal to same as before. Now we will simplify this whole value by taking LCM and we will get y square plus 1 plus y over y equal to 0. Now this y will multiply with this 0 values and it will become 0 and we will arrange this equation as y square plus y plus 1 equal to 0. You can see that this equation is a quadratic equation but it is not a factorizable equation. So for this purpose we will use here a quadratic formula. Right? So first, before applying the quadratic formula, first we will compare this quadratic equation with the standard quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. And when we compare this equation with the standard quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c, we will get a is equals to 1 because the coefficient of y square is a. And the coefficient of y is equal to b, which is 1, and coefficient of constant value will be equal to c, which is 1. Now as we know that the quadratic formula is x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So we will put the value of a, b, c inside this formula to get the value of y, and we will get, after putting this value inside this equation, y equal to minus 1 plus minus 1 square because b is 1 minus 4, a is 1, c is 1 upon 2 and a is 1. Now we will simplify this equation and we will get minus 1 plus minus, the square of 1 is 1, for the multiplication of these three values will be equal to minus 4 plus 1 equal to minus 3 upon 2 is same as before. This is the value of y when we solve for x plus 1 equal to 0. So here we get the two values of y for this equation. First is y equal to 1 and second is y equal to minus 1 plus minus under root minus 3 upon 2. I hope this video is very useful to all of you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.